I found some tires and rims for sale on Marketplace, and I was really pleasantly surprised when I was able to secure the purchase of these rims. It took a while all last night, to go down to where they were, pick them up and bring them home. But I've picked up a set of aftermarket year one replica Oldsmobile wheels. They're all aluminum. There's 100 miles on them. The gentleman who bought them, I guess it just wasn't really in the end what he was looking for, so he picked them up and got the Nitto tires for them. Had to get 2 of the tires out of the US because they weren't a size that was stocked in Canada, and so I got the 4 tires, 4 rims in really nice pristine condition, and I got 2 extra tires, 2 extra Nittos, and they're 285/40 17s. So I'm going to try and figure out if they're going to fit on the 68 Cutlass. These are what are they? 275/40 ZR 17s. So they're a speed rated tire. They're a really nice tire, and the fronts, they're a 45, 245/45 17. So these are going to look really nice. It's going to be like an amazing upgrade for the 68. At least that's the way I'm thinking about it. And you can see that the wear on the tires, there's hardly any wear on these tires. All of the little telltale signs of the tire manufacturer still there, so hardly any miles. So we're gonna get those on the car tomorrow. I'll get some good videos of it, and tonight we're going to the car show, so I'm gonna roll this probably in with that. Anyway, I'll have some more video later. So I got a video here from the Bad Dog Car Show, and I just wanted to show what it looked like with the 15s and BF Goodrich radial TAs on it. I just wanted to get an idea, a side-by-side comparison, to see if the new rims and tires look better than the old rims and tires. Let me know what you think. Well, I was able to get the tires put on the car, and we got the car back today. So this is what the new rims look like on the 68. They're a 17-inch rim. They're a replica style rim that year one makes, and they're 17s, all aluminum. They're made to look like the original sort of rims that came on this car. The rears are 275/40 17. And the fronts are 245/45 17. So I think they look really good. I like the white letters of the BF Goodrich, but well, that's gone now. So this is the new look.